Everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to play your Steam games on your phone. Now this is very easy. I'm just using Steam Link, which will allow me to stream it from my computer over to my phone or really any device with Steam Link. I even had this on my TV on my Google Chromecast and Fire Stick because I downloaded the APK. And this is super easy to get just on your Android phone. So we can just go on over to the Google Play Store. Type this in, go to search, and type in Steam Link. So we just type it in right here. Now the most important thing is you have your computer turned on, you have Steam open, and your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your computer. Otherwise the two are not going to be able to discover each other. So we can see Steam Link right here. Get this application by Valve, open this up. Then also go to the top right. Go to your Wi-Fi, make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi as your computer is connected to. Then we can go to open. And you can see I already have this opened up. And it's pretty easy to connect. If you have Steam opened up in the background, you should be able to connect it. Now you can connect the controller here too to play. And here it is. Once again, I just deleted it and installed it again. We want to go to allow right here. Get started. Scanning for computers. And my computer should pop up here pretty quickly. We can go to my gaming PC and tap on that. And then this code is going to pop up on your screen on your computer. Type it in. And now it's going to do a quick network test. I think it's just going for your download speed here and just checking out with your current setup. If you got about 100 MBs/s right there, you should be good. So just take a look at that. And it looks like it's good. We can go to OK. Boom, boom, boom. We can go to settings here. We can add a controller. We can look at streaming here if we want. We have 1080p enhanced. We can go to that. I think that's the maximum that's allowed. Can we go to customize here? We can change the quality around here too if we want. Okay. So if you have a really good internet connection, you can change that around, otherwise it's going to set it automatically for you. But let's go to my computer now. Tap on my computer, start playing right here, and it should connect. Big picture mode is going to open up on your computer screen. And then you should have full control with the on-screen controller. So you got all your buttons on here. Now I'm just in my library right now. And what's going to happen is when you click on something, it's going to open up the game on the computer. And you're going to start playing and streaming it. So I've used this with my Google Chromecast and Fire Stick onto my TV. So I just completely bypassed this, and then I was playing Starfield directly to my TV using Steam Link. I just had to install one of the APKs on there and connect my controller. It was really nice. So anywhere you can get the APK, you can use Steam Link. It works pretty good. The latency is not too bad, depending really on your internet connection and your home setup. So just take a look at this, go to your collection and start playing a game. And you know, if it runs on the computer, it should run good on this as well. It's just going to be downgraded to like 1080p or whatever your internet connection allows. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.